Let's taste our spaghetti. And so I put some oil, mga around 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we're going to put 2 white onions. Next, we add our green bell pepper. Ito mga dalawa. Now, we're going to just sweat this. Isa-sweat lang natin siya, meaning isa-saute lang natin siya sa oil. We're not going to brown this. And then, ito, 1 whole garlic. Yan, isang buong garlic. Yan. So, lutuin lang natin siya ng konti. Hindi natin siya ipapa-brown. Okay, yung sakto lang na parang malanta siya. Pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. So, lagyan natin sa isang plate. Yan. Yan. So, on the same pan, naglagay ako ulit ng konting oil. And this is 1/4 kilo of ground beef. So, nasa inyo yung kung gusto nyo ng ground beef or ground pork. Ayan, kung gusto nyo mas marami, pwede rin. Ayan, so halos naluluto na yung ating ground beef. And then, ibabalikan natin ngayon yung ating onion mixture. Okay, so yung onion mixture natin, dapat hindi siya brown na brown ha. Hindi dapat lutong-luto. Tingnan natin siya. Okay, at this point, pwede natin siyang i-season with some salt, pepper, okay, pepper, mix natin ulit, hot dogs, ito. Okay, so ako, binoil ko na siya kanina. Okay, so, luto na to, binoil ko siya and I cut it into pieces. Next, we'll add our spaghetti sauce. So, ito yung gamit ko, Filipino style spaghetti sauce. 1 kilo. Okay, 1 kilo lagay natin. Ayan, so, let's now mix our sauce. Ayan, so, nagbo-boil na yung ating sauce. As you can see. And now, we're going to add ito, Jufren banana ketchup. Okay, so half bottle na muna lalagay natin. Okay, and then kung kailangan pa, we will put everything. Okay, so mamaya tikman natin. And then we will simmer this for around 15 minutes at low fire. Okay, para mag-incorporate lahat. Yan, so ito na yung ating spaghetti sauce. And we're not done yet. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk.